Hi viewers, I am Parvati Kashyap, clinical psychologist, Queen's NRI Hospital, Seethamadara, Vishakhapatnam. Today is 10th October, means it is a World Mental Health Day. And there is something special in this. Before we can understand this, let us know the theme of today's activity, and that is mental health in unequal world. So each word in this theme is very, very important. Mental health in unequal world. This theme was actually introduced after the pandemic. We had a lot of struggle. We had a lot of physical and mental distress in the whole world. Nowhere we were excused. So, on the basis of that, we wish to understand about it. So, before understanding it, let me come to a point like what is mental health? So, mental health means it is something to think, feel, and act. Suppose if I tell you one thing like the pandemic has come and people are getting scared. So when somebody coughs or there is a sneezing or somebody gets a cough, immediately we start thinking what must be the cause. Then we start feeling it must be COVID. Oh my God. And then the next part of it, we start acting. We either run away from it, or we wash our hands, or we go for a sanitizer, all these things. So this is something okay. But if this anything that goes to the excessive extent, to the peaks, that is known as mental illness. So we are all suffering from this type of mental illness. Earlier when we got a sneeze or we coughed or we had a cold, we had a fever, it was just a fever we thought, and then we did not mind it. But each time now in between this COVID period, whenever there is something like that, we overact. Something which is not normal, something which is abnormal. That means out of two people, one person is mentally ill this way because of his overthinking and overacting. During this COVID time, we had illness physically as well as mentally. Physically because we are infected, and mentally because we are disturbed and we are overthinking, or we imagine things like what is may go wrong or something like that, and then we may fall sick. Something which is not normal, in other words, abnormalcy in the thinking and feeling and behaving. That is what is known as the disturbed mental health situation. So I told you about the theme mental health in unequal world, in which I spoke about the mental health, the term mental health. Now let me tell you something about this unequal world. Unequal in the sense that not equal. Not equal means here it deals with the point of a person who is rich becomes rich and the person who is poor becomes poorer. How does this happen? This is known as actually the state of inequality in the economic conditions. The rich becoming rich and the poor becoming poor. In other words, there is a great difference in the haves and have-nots. Haves means having money, and the people who don't have money. So this has also occurred during the COVID time. So there is a great disturbance mentally, and also the inequality was there. So the theme was about inequality in the world. So it speaks about the rich becoming rich and the poor becoming poor, and the inequality over there, and to see that every person, whether you are rich or poor, everybody should have the access and availability to the treatment and coming out of it. To work on all these terms, we have found that we are very much hard hit mentally than physically. Why I am saying physically and mentally means we are hard hit mentally than physically, in the sense that everybody, when COVID comes, they were concentrating more on the physical health, whether they are getting fever or they are getting a cold, they are getting a cough, what type of tests are conducted, and everything they are concentrating on whether the virus had hit them or not. So the most hard hit are the mental health people. I said that. Hard hit are the mental health people, in the sense that we are concentrating on the physical health and all the wealth is channelized towards the physical health and very little is left for the mental health. Then what to do? So this year's theme is mental health in unequal world, because we are hard hit economically and poor people are not in the reach of the treatment. So we are concentrating on that. So the best theme was made for us all over the world to give access and availability of the tests and the treatments till the patient comes out of it successfully. So mental health has to be studied from various angles. So I wish you all a successful World Mental Health Day, with the theme to be successfully worked out as mental health in unequal world, where each and everyone, may it be rich or poor, haves or have nots, everybody should be reached and treated, and there should be a quality life and the people get more productive in their working. Thank you and wish you good luck.